Hi, I'm about to plug in this Laboratories BR-1001-A tester unit, and just to give you a view of what it does and what it doesn't do, let's plug it in here, see what happens. Okay, let me hit this on switch, and it does light up. I don't know if you can hear it in the video. It does make some sort of noise here. I think it's the speaker. It shows a display. It's a little messed up, but you hit the buttons and it does change it. And this jumped up when I turned it on as well. What I'm not sure is if this scope will do anything unless you plug a radio or something you're testing into it. So I'm not sure if this is working or it only works if you plug something into it. But I don't see it doing anything right now. I'm just going to flip buttons here just to show you what it's doing and what it doesn't do. This is about as much as I know about it, though, myself, so perhaps if you're watching this and you're interested in this unit, it probably means that you know a lot more about this thing than I do. But again, I just wanted to show you what it does and what it doesn't do. And I'm not sure if you have to plug it into something. Let me turn it off. And the needle goes down when you turn it off. That's about it.